Within Bill4Time, you can set up your invoice templates with headers, footers, columns, designs, and more. You can also create multiple templates and assign them to specific clients. By clicking your name at the top right and selecting Settings, you can then access your Invoice Setup tab. If you do not have access to the settings, you would need to contact your system administrator to grant you these permissions. Within your invoice setup, you can customize your settings by clicking Edit Settings. Here, you can update your taxes, late fee guidelines, your default header, and note if you'd like. Any changes you make here, click Save when finished. You will also see the templates you have in the system. You can add a template, and you can click the clipboard icon next to a specific template to edit it. Once on the template editor, here you can customize what you want to show or not show on your invoices. You can add a header image or use the text header in the system. You can also add a customized logo to the template itself. Below this, you will see checkboxes for your company and client details. You will have the options, line spacing, paper size, and columns. You can turn on and off specific features to customize the template to your needs. You can also add a footer and choose to show receipts, add trust activity, show user summary, and AR balance summary. Scrolling back up to the top, you will see a cover letter option if you are on the Pro or Enterprise plans. This would allow you to create custom cover letters for your templates. You can choose between multiple designs and then preview to see what it would look like. If you make any changes, make sure to click Save. Under the invoice setup, you can have one template that defaults to all clients. You can switch templates by clicking on them and you'll see the checkmark move from one template to another. You can also assign a template to specific clients. If you go to Clients, click on a client and go to their Invoice Presets tab. You can customize your taxes, late fees, header, and template per client and project. Thank you for watching the Bill4Time Invoice Setup tutorial. Please click to continue watching for the next video in the series.